script for your YouTube channel, Gear and Grips. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips, where we dive into the world of cars, mods, and everything in between. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly insane, a 2025 Tesla with a V8 engine swap. Yeah, you heard that right, Tesla, known for their silent electric motors, but this one's got the unmistakable roar of a V8. Let's get into it. So, why would anyone swap a V8 into a Tesla? Simple: power, sound, and the love for the raw mechanical experience. This particular build started life as a 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid, which, as we all know, comes with insane electric performance right out of the box. But the owner? They wanted something totally different, a mashup of Tesla's sleek modernity with old-school muscle car vibes. Under the hood, or should I say, where the frunk used to be, is a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8. This is the same engine you'd find in cars like the Dodge Hellcat or Chevy Camaro ZL1, capable of pumping out over 700 horsepower. Combined with Tesla's aerodynamic design and lightweight chassis, the result is a car that's as visually stunning as it is audibly terrifying. Now, let's talk about the sound. If you're familiar with Teslas, you know they're whisper quiet, almost ghostly on the road. But this V8 swap changes the entire vibe. When you start it up, it roars to life with a deep growl that feels like thunder. It's raw, it's visceral, and it turns heads everywhere. Of course, swapping a V8 into a Tesla isn't just about bolting in a new engine. The build required custom mounts, a completely new cooling system, and a modified drivetrain to handle the massive torque. The electric powertrain had to be completely removed, and that's no small feat when you're talking about a Tesla Plaid, which is built around its battery architecture. Now let's talk numbers, both performance and price. The cost of the donor car, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid, starts at around $90,000. The V8 swap itself? That's where things get pricey. Between the engine, transmission, custom fabrication, and tuning, you're looking at an additional $50,000 to $70,000, depending on your builder and the parts you choose. So, all in, this build is easily pushing $150,000 or more. But what does that price tag get you? A car that bridges the gap between two worlds, cutting-edge EV design and raw combustion power. On the performance front, this V8 swapped Tesla can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds, slightly slower than the stock Plaid but still blisteringly fast for a muscle car. And thanks to its low center of gravity in Tesla's chassis engineering, it handles like a dream. One thing to keep in mind is that you're giving up a lot of Tesla's advanced tech with this swap. No autopilot, no regenerative braking, and definitely no ludicrous mode. But if you're the kind of driver who prefers to be fully in control, hands on the wheel, foot on the throttle, this build is a dream come true. So, who's this car for? Definitely not your average Tesla enthusiast. It's for someone who loves to make a statement, someone who's not afraid to stand out. It's for the person who wants the best of both worlds, modern design and classic power. Alright, that wraps it up for today's episode. What do you think of this V8 swap Tesla? Is it a brilliant mix of two worlds or sacrilege to Tesla's electric legacy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming builds and reviews. Thanks for watching Gear and Grips. Stay tuned, because we've got more epic content coming your way. See you next time.